To better examine your furniture from different angles, hold the middle mouse button or wheel and drag to rotate your view. Rotation always happens around the active object, highlighted with an orange dot. If you select a different object as active, your rotation will center around that object instead. To make this work, go to Preferences, Navigation, and enable Orbit Around Selection. You can control your view distance with the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, or by clicking the zoom icon and dragging while holding the mouse button. For fine control, hold Control and drag with the middle mouse button pressed. To move around the view without rotating, click the hand icon and drag, or hold Shift and drag with the middle mouse button. For more detailed inspection of your design, you have several visualization tools. You can hide front panels to look inside cabinets. Enable X-ray vision to see through objects. Switch to wireframe mode for structural examination. Or hide measurement indicators that might be in the way. To quickly toggle measurement visibility, press the M key or click the measurement icon. This keeps your workspace clean and focused on the elements you are working with. If you are new to Blender, one important concept is the origin point. This is shown as an orange dot, and all actions such as rotation or resizing are based on it. When you set the position of an object, you are actually defining the position of its origin point, and the rest of the object is placed accordingly. When you resize, the scaling happens outward from the origin point. When you rotate, the object rotates around it. If you want to increase a dimension but extend it in the opposite direction, you can change the origin point. Go into Edit mode, select a vertex, then choose Set Origin. Keep in mind that the header toolbar always depends on which tool is active, so make sure Easy Form Studio is selected. Now, when you change dimensions, the object will extend in the opposite direction.